Wagwan. If we want to understand Jamaica's LGBT community more, it's important for we learn some of the terms them. So we have 5 big terms for teaching you today. Sexual orientation, sex, gender, gender identity, and gender expression. We're going to start with the sexual orientation. When we say sexual orientation, we mean which person you're attracted to emotionally, romantically, or sexually. Just know say I don't know one-off thing we are talking about. It's a long-term thing. So remember, the person or persons you're just always attracted to and you're probably a thing for settle down with them. Now, under sexual orientation, you have heterosexual. Same thing we call straight. It means say you're attracted to someone of the opposite gender. And then you have homosexual, which means say you're attracted to somebody of the same gender. When woman attracted to woman, we use the word lesbian. When man attracted to man, we use the word gay. If somebody attracted to more than one gender, we call them bisexual. When we talk about sex now, we are talking about the biological differences we make with male or female. You're born with a penis, you are male. You're born with vagina, you is a female. Same way if you have testes, you are male. And if you have ovaries, you are female. But sometimes it can get a little complicated. Cause imagine, you're born with ovaries, plus you have a penis. When that happens, we are talking about intersex people. Intersex are the term where we use when we are talking about people who are born with reproductive or sexual organs when not generally fit in the male or female group. When we talk about gender, we don't mean penis and vagina again. We are talking about what society say man supposed to do and what woman supposed to do. Also, male no must equal man and female no must equal woman cause society says so. Cause somebody we born with male features can be a woman. Same way, somebody born with female features can be a man. This is what we mean when we say gender identity. It's a talk about the gender you feel like on the inside. A male baby born at hospital, and when the doctor see them penis, them categorize them as a man. If the person identify as a man for true, we call that person cisgender. This is because the gender identity match up with what society expects of somebody who born male. But if the male baby grow up and identify as a woman, then we consider them to be transgender. Transgender means the gender them say you belong to when you're born is not the gender you identify as. Now that we understand gender and gender identity, make we introduce a new term named gender expression. That I talk about how you look and behave, the kind of haircut you sport, the sound of your voice, type of clothes you wear. All of them fall in a categories like masculine and feminine. But you also have gender non-conforming people who don't fit in any of the gender identity or gender expressions we just talked about. Now that we explain all of these terms, a time for we discuss them and see where you understand from all of this.